Welcome to our Spectrum Games quiz. The quiz has 3 rounds. We're going to start with Crash Smashers. So they will all be games that got awarded 90% or above in Crash Magazine. Then we're going to do Budget Hits. So they will all be $1.99 or $2.99 gems. And finally we're going to do Hipster Hits, which are games that were liked by the Spectrum connoisseurs. So let's get going with the Crash Smashers. Did you always agree with the Crash Smashers? I remember thinking Scooby-Doo was maybe not the best pick. It was alright, but not that varied gameplay wise, and I think it never finished. The levels were random generated and infinite. You need to have a finish screen, don't you? Even if it's just the main character sticking his head in the toilet. Anyway, here are the budget classics. Eyeball had speech in it. It all seemed a bit revolutionary at the time, and for only $1.99 as well. What a time to be alive. Here are the Hipster Hits. That's it. We hope you enjoyed the quiz. Was it too easy or were you stumped? Maybe you didn't agree with the selection of games we used. Please let us know in the comments. If you like quizzes or want a ready-made quiz for an event, check out our quiz store in the description below. Thanks for playing and hopefully see you again soon.